rainbow of colored mini carrots oven roasted and topped with a drizzle of Dijon, garlic, and lemon vinaigrette. Ready in 30 minutes, this sensational side dish can be yours. Wait until you try these roasted rainbow carrots. The process on this recipe is really easy. We're gonna oven roast tiny carrots, then we're gonna add a punchy Dijon lemon garlic vinaigrette. But the takeaway, we're only going to enjoy the natural sweetness of the carrots themselves, so no honey, no maple syrup, no sugar involved. It's easy to make as well. Why don't I show you right now? Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna line a large baking tray with foil. Next, the carrots. Look for these rainbow colored mini carrots at your local grocer's. You're gonna need 2 pounds for this recipe. Give the carrots a good wash or scrub under cool water, then divide them in half. If you've got big carrots, you can quarter them. If there's some blemishes, you can trim them away. Then place the carrots into a big bowl. Drizzle with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil plus 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Let's sprinkle the bowl with half a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. If you like a bit of heat, you can up that pepper quantity to half a teaspoon. Toss the carrots to coat in the seasoning oil and butter, then spill them out onto a baking sheet. Transfer to the oven. We're gonna roast for 15 minutes. While the carrots are roasting, let's make a delicious vinaigrette to go with. Grab a medium-sized bowl and a 1/4 cup of oil, like olive or vegetable oil, or if you can find it, try this vinaigrette recipe with avocado or walnut oil. Next, add 1 heaping tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Let's also add the juice from half a lemon. That's about 2 tablespoons worth. Next, 3 cloves of garlic, finely chopped or minced. You can use a knife or a funny thingamajig like this, or a microplane if you'd like. Then we're gonna add half a teaspoon of kosher salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk vigorously, then set the vinaigrette to the side. Carrots have been roasting now for 15 minutes. Let's take them out of the oven. We're gonna toss and turn them like a bad night's sleep, then return them to the oven for an additional 15 minutes. This time, while they're back in the oven, let's chop up some fresh flat leaf parsley. We'll be using it as a garnish. We're now at that 30-minute cook time. The carrots are gorgeously oven roasted. Love how caramelized they are. We're gonna return them to the big mixing bowl. Add half the quantity of the vinaigrette. Sprinkle some parsley, toss, then transfer to an attractive bowl or presentation dish. You can drizzle with more vinaigrette, more parsley, and you're ready to serve. That is it, and sheesh, are they ever something? You'll find out when you make them. Full recipe is up at weekend@thecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this recipe on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when carrots are this fantastic, take a picture of them and post them on your favorite socials using hashtag weekend@thecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Roasted rainbow carrots with a zippy Dijon lemon garlic vinaigrette. Absolutely fab. Sure are. Enjoy.